Hello friends, today we learn how to create custom marking menus and shelves in Maya. So what is a marking menu? Marking menus are set of commands available on a single keystroke which we can map to any key. Like I have created my own marking menu. I'll show you. I'll press tilt key and then left click. So my commands will be available like face, vertex, edge, object, component, freeze, transformation, history, all, display all, and center pivot, and etc. You can place any of them over here with a single keystroke. You can access them, and it improves your workflow. So to create a custom marking menu, first I'll need to create a custom shelf. So to create a custom shelf, I can go to new shelf, then ARSALAN Arslan underscore A line Arslan Ali. Give up the name of your shelf, Arslan Ali. A new shelf has been created. So to create a custom shelf, first I need to go to freeze transformation, center pivot. You can choose any of the commands which you want in your shelf, and to put them over here, you need to just click Control and Shift. Go to delete by type, history, and press Control and Shift, and just click over on top of it. It will be placed over here. Okay. Show, hide, unselected object, show all, and then select object component, vertex, edge, face, etc. You can place any of the buttons which you like. So to create so our shelf has been created like other shelves in Maya. So to create a marking menu, just go to Window, Setting and Preferences, then Marking Menu Editor. This is a marking menu editor. You can create a new shelf, edit marking menus, delete marking menus, hotbox control. So I need to create a new shelf. I will click Create Marking Menus, then give it a name, ARSALAN Arslan MMN marking menus. Okay, these are the buttons which need to be placed. So I like to place it in a sequence which default marking menus in Maya has, like edges on top, vertex, and faces on the bottom. So I'll go to Arslan Ali shelf, faces at the bottom, edges on top, and vertex, object component. I'm placing it in this menu, this dialog box, using middle mouse button. So freeze transformation, hold middle mouse button and then drag. Freeze transformation, center pivot, and then display show all, then history delete by type, history. Okay, we can check that our shelf is marking menu is working or not by clicking left mouse button, LMB, edges, vertex, face, object component, freeze transformation, center pivot, history, and all. Okay, just save it. Our new shelf has been created. So you can define from where you want to access this. Use marking menus in no set, hotkey editor, or hotbox. Hotbox is the same which we get when we press a spacebar. Okay, hotkey editor is in which you can define a specific hotkey which you want. Like when we tap spacebar, our hotbox opens. The same thing. Okay, apply settings. Now we need to go to hotbox, window, setting and preferences, hotkey editor. Okay, this is a place from where you can define a hotkey for any of the tools which given in the Maya. Okay, so I need to define a custom marking menus. I need to go to user marking menus. It is at the bottom of the list. User marking menu, Arslan MMN. The name I have given, Arslan MMN. Okay, go to Arslan MMN. You can place different commands. Like when you will hold CTRL and for example W, you will get a different command, and when you will hold Alt and W, you will get a different command when you will press or release it. So I'll be requiring only a single tilt key. When I'll press a tilt key is the key just above tab key and near to keystroke 1. I'll choose a tilt key and then assign. It will give me a warning or error or a pop-up. Assign. Okay, done. Then save, and then our marking menu has been created. We can check like shaded thing. When I'll press tilt key and then hold left mouse button, I'll get my custom shelf, custom marking menu. I can go to edge, at the same time I can go to vertex, I can freeze transformation for the object, and do all sort of thing. You can put any of the command which you like. Just to show you a cool trick, we can do like if we create an object if you create an object. At the same time, history is also created, and transformation is also created. First you need to clear off freeze transformation, then you need to clear off history, unless and until you are doing it for animation. So we can create a quick shell for us, which will serve our purpose. At the same time, just go to this script editor, click script editor, then delete all the trash over here, create a new scene, delete all the trash, create a cube, polycube, or you can create anything. Shaded view, see transformation and history. So first freeze off the transformation, and then freeze off history. So this is a command which freezes the history and transformation. So you can select this and then copy it onto the shelf, clicking middle mouse button, holding middle mouse button, and leave it. It will say save shelf as in a mel or a Python. I'll save it in mel. Then our shelf is new button has been created. We can check this, create another cube. Then when we click this, both our first transformation and history will go off. So look, okay. So you can place this in your marking menu, but first we need to give it a name for this. It is given user defined mel command. Then when you will have various multiple of them, you will get confused. So go to save shelf, shelf editor. This is the shelf. These are the shelf names: shelf Arslan Ali, go custom Arslan Ali. I need to change the name of my mel command, so I'll say user defined mel command, the name it was showing. I'll say history and history underscore ft. It will tell me that it will freeze transformation and history. I can copy this and paste over here and save all shelf. So my new name, history underscore ft. I can put in my new marking menu. It will be very simple, as we have created it earlier. Go to marking menu, okay, edit marking menu. Now we need to edit this marking menu. Edit marking menu, and go to this button, hold middle mouse, and then drag. So you will get his underscore ft. You can save